Hi everyone, this is Brad. Today we're taking a look at mathlearningcenter.org/apps, and we're taking a look at the whiteboard app. So you can go ahead in and open that up. I already created one, so I wanted to show you what it looks like. So you can see the whiteboard. You can see it's pretty large. You can go all the way over, and then of course you could go up and down as well. So I have it right here, 14 times 21. So I went in and created this. What's really nice is if you do create this, you could share this with students or with other teachers, so they could just copy this link and then they could open up. So I'm just going to show you an incognito window. You can see that right away it comes up and they could use it for teaching as well. So let's go ahead back in. Now, of course, you can see I'm doing 14 times 21. So you could go ahead, show your students this and say, okay, what is the answer going to be? And they're going to say it's going to be 294. So really kind of nice. Again, and I'm just using this to hide. All right, so how can we go through? Let's just show you a few things. You could go ahead and select a rectangle here. You can change the color as well as the thickness if you want to do that. With that also, you can see that there's going to be a line as well as the ability. I'm just going to come right up here into the text, so you can see this, where you can make it even larger and spread it out. There is going to also be a math text tool that's really nice to have, so if you want to represent multiplication, you could simply do that as well. To remove it, you could just select here and then the trash can or the backspace, whichever works. Again, you also have a pen, so it's a lot easier to, ooh, that's not the best 8 in the world. So if you want to erase part of it, you could simply go ahead and erase it if you want to fix it. To clear real quickly any kind of all drawings, you can simply just go ahead and clear that right there. A few more things just to show you. If you want to circle, you can always spread this out as well, so nice to have. To duplicate, just select right down in here to duplicate, and you have another one. If you want things to be a little bit smaller, select it to make it smaller. Again, you can share your work. You can select the eye to see more information about this website. So I hope this is beneficial. If you have any questions, please reach out. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.